everybody, and welcome to another weekly update. My name is Sarah Lean and I'm a cloud advocate at Microsoft. Thank you for tuning in. I want to cover off some of the Azure news that we've seen this week. So we've had Azure Migrate release a feature that was in preview for a while, and it's went generally available. So now you can take details from an Excel spreadsheet and input them into Azure Migrate, and it will be able to help you do a server assessment with that data. And this is a feature that a lot of customers have asked for because they have some trouble installing appliances, installing agents, etc. in order to get some of the information out of their environment, but they can quickly do that in a spreadsheet format, either manually or through some other kind of tooling that they already have. So being able to assess their environment and get a quick overview of what is in their environment and what it potentially would cost if they moved it to Azure is a great feature for them. So that feature is now went generally available. I did a video about it a while ago, so I'll post a link here. So yeah, that's generally available now, so that's definitely something to check out if you're looking to do a migration. We've also seen some new features for Azure Arc come out, and that's the ability to use things like Azure Update Management and change tracking, and there's a few other things around extensions that can be installed as well onto your Azure Arc managed servers. My colleague Thomas Maurer did a video on that, so I'll post a link here somewhere for you to have a view and look at as well. And lastly, the other piece of news that we had was around Azure cost management and the budgets. So I think before, when you set a budget, if you hit that threshold, the budget, the alert would only trigger once throughout that threshold period. And if you changed the budget alert, you wouldn't maybe get an alert for it. So the team have changed that, so the threshold and the budget alert will alert you again if you change that. So I'll post some links to those bits of news updates and you can check them out again. So I wanted to say thank you to everybody that tuned into my live stream of my weekly video last week. It was really nice to see so many people join me on the stream. I had intended on doing this as a live stream this week again, since it was so popular. However, I'm actually off work today, so I've moved my hubby up into my office, and he's using my desk where all my webcam and microphone and setup is, so that I can do some things in the kitchen, and I've got some chores to do. So yeah, I'm doing this as a video just out in the garden because he's using all my streaming equipment at the moment for his work. But yeah, I'm hopefully, although I'm off for the next 2 Fridays as well, I'm hoping that I'll be able to do a live stream maybe next week. So definitely let me know if there's anything you want to talk about, anything you want to hear me talk about, and tune into that, and I'll post details later in the week as well if I can get the logistics working for that. I'm a little sad that although I'm off work today, I'm not where I actually should have been. So I should have been at the Royal Highland Show through in Edinburgh, and that's a large agricultural and food kind of show festival that we have every year. Usually runs 4 days through in Edinburgh, and I usually take the time off and go for the 4 days. I love the agricultural side of it, seeing the animals on show, seeing the tractors and the implements, meeting old friends and family, and then seeing what's produce that we have in Scotland in terms of food, and also in the UK that we have on offer, and picking up some random bits of cider or cheese or ice cream from all different parts of Scotland, and getting a real good taste of what we have on offer. But obviously with the kind of COVID-19 and pandemic situation that we've got, the show has been cancelled, unfortunately. So yeah, I'm a little bit sad that I'm not there where I should have been today, but the way I look at it is, if we all stay home and stay safe right now, we can get back to the things that we love and want to do next year, and no one will be missing. That's the way I kind of look at it. So although it's sad, hopefully in the long run it means that it's not a long-term sadness that we have to deal with. So yeah, that's the way I'm looking at it. I also wanted to talk about, I don't know if you follow me on Twitter or not, but I posted a tweet during the week asking or offering my services to meetup organisers and event organisers to deliver some sessions, and I was blown away by the response, by people liking, retweeting, and actually reaching out to me to organise sessions. So I think I've got 7 or 8 sessions presenting at user groups in July and August, so I'm really looking forward to that. Both UK user groups and international user groups. I think I've got a user group from Singapore and one from Australia. I've got one from Sweden, and yeah, there's a whole host of user groups, and it's great to be able to speak to these communities that I not necessarily wouldn't have been able to because of travel, kind of budget constraints or just time constraints on me. So yeah, it's great to see and be able to get interacting with these communities in a virtual way at the moment. So thank you to everybody that liked and retweeted and reached out to me and has organised an event with me. I'm super looking forward to it. My calendar is mega busy for July in terms of user groups, but yeah, I'm really looking forward to it, and hopefully look out for my tweets and my blog post about what the gigs are and how you can join in as well with them. So yeah, thank you to everybody that has helped make that possible, and I'm really looking forward to engaging with the community virtually. So I'm going to sign off, everybody. Have a good one, and like I said, hopefully next week, next Friday, I'll be able to do a live stream and we can interact with each other that way. Until then, stay safe, have a good weekend, and I'll catch you again.